Just be the right thing and just go and take it a day at a time, you know?
The leverage, not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage, not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss, and today we are just doing a quick exercise morning walk. You know, we're there on park in Fort Lauderdale. I don't remember the name, but me tell you afterwards, I think. But yeah, look on the place, nice, beautiful water. We are going over the bridge right now. Yeah, so I just take a walk, exercise and reason a bit, you know. Yeah, so we are, excuse the wind, we are going down here, so. Oh, we're there now. We're there now on park, North Lauderdale, you know. Yeah, we're there in North Lauderdale, so on park, so we are check it out and just walk and see where I go on, you know. Something ruralish. Yeah, rural walking Fort Lauderdale, you don't know anything. Have bush and thing. Not really rural still, but we just call it a little rural walk then. See it? Walk around here, so. Little lake water over here, so you see where I go on it. Lead way around this in a Leverage Nation. Yeah, so apparently see where I go on. They have benches and things over there. Nothing too much I go on. Early morning vibes. And we're just out here, you know. This is just a walkway, you know. Too much car and thing, I notice say from me do some little walk me all out of bread fast. So you don't know, so we have to do this thing and stop with the car thing, you see me? Excuse the wind. You know? Yeah, so we are walk around here, so let me see where I go on. Nice water. I wonder if them have. They must have no fishing right there, so. Yeah, Leverage Nation. Or they have. Oh, and something like that. Yeah. You know. Just there the thing, I don't know, say we are the channel. A nice little view in the Fort Lauderdale. You have some, what that, boat, little boat or whatever you want to call it there. Yeah. So, part of the leverage, man, just, you know, no swimming. You hear them say? Alligators and venomous snake may be present. Yeah, man, so. Just a go and build on a wall of vibes. Oh, so you can rent them. See that? City of North Lauderdale, Hampton, Pines Park it name. Rental fee if you shelter them. I guess when you pay cash only, no Lauderdale, no refund. Bike rental rules. Oh, so I guess you rent them things up. Wow. Yes. Kind of price is $70. Unless me I read it wrong. Yeah, man, in case of. But I wonder if you can fish over here. Nice little park, you know. Wonder if I can fish over here. Come on, we just take a strat. People just do their morning routine and exercise around here, you know? Yeah. Have the thing them over here, so. Can just chill and relax, you know? Exercise and things, so. You know, just a little stroll I'll take around the place. Right round here, I try to see if we can walk, because we are walking from over here, so. Excuse the breeze, hold on, let me stop talk. So just I do the morning routine. A whole lot of breeze, Leverage Nation, a whole lot of breeze. Just vibe with me. No, I think though. Good little exercise, you know. Yeah, for just the right thing. So you can take right or so, or around or so. Which way? Left or right? I go right. Yeah. You see me? The vault bar people exercise over here, so. You can always, who people in not Lauderdale side, you can always come check out over here, so all of vibes, you know, and just build. You walk around them parts, yeah. You see me? Again, them a killer, no climbing, no standing, no sitting and fencing. You see me, alligators and snake over here. So it's just a vibe, man. You see me, Leverage Nation. You always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe now. Just a little morning exercise walk, you know. You just see that one over here and say, yo, let me just walk over here because you know, say, health is wealth, you know. Yeah, man. For the vlog, you don't know, so if you look out for the vlog, them, eh? We don't wait for some things to forward and thing, but apparently I'll be in trouble and anything then we have with them. But when you stay tuned, you know, say Leverage Boss TV and I just start and stop thing, you know. We have a lot of, well, I'm safe, me can better lighting. And I just start and stop, you know. Yeah, we do this real way. We not force. And we not, a matter of fact, Leverage Nation, if we not ever really share out, we not ever really share it out on another platform, just YouTube make the thing organically, you know, fully organic, you know. Some people say, yo, make sure I share thing. Yeah, me I share it and thing, but me have my personal reasons. You see me? Why me not want to do it. But you know, when I watch the channel, just like, share, subscribe and comment up the thing, man, and show the thing and make the thing grow. And the thing grow can get better and we'll get some better play things to do, some better vlog. We have some things that come up, we have some ideas, some challenges that we want to do. Yeah, Leverage Nation. So I'm gonna do the right thing, man. You see me? But just I do a little nature walk. I call it nature walk because I don't want to do rural, because this not feel ruralish to me, but I will heap of trees still and thing, but yeah. I will heap of trees, man. You know? Tell us I'm unfit already, you know, because little walk I want my foot them feel heavy already. Like them I get tired. You see, I don't know if I can manage another hill video right now. I want to do one more, you know. Try do one more, you know. Yeah. But I walk around or something, man. You know where Leverage go already. Yeah, so it's nice. So around here so nice, run another part around here so again. Beautiful, man. Beautiful scenery, man. Oh God, man. Anybody who have them significant other can come and just chill, or anybody who want just be by themselves alone time, and best place to come. So me just breeze out, all a smoke break or whatever, and just build see water and say look like nothing in there. But nice view, man. Yeah, Leverage Nation. Walk around and see. Just a quick walk with me in the park. Oh, I mean challenges, you know. Leverage Nation. Anybody where anything you know want, we on dam and clear them though. Challenge wise. We're up for it now because we have other previous challenges over there. And we have a nice challenge we have come up with soon too. Yeah, man, so this is just one little walk. You have who can make them kids come around here so and play. Some have park, nice little thing. You know, I'm gonna go up on one of them. Yeah, man. Nice park, man, you know. The kids them can enjoy the thing, man. Yeah, out here, them have swing and everything over there. Yeah. Alright, down here, so. You know the thing, go. Do some of that, some sit-ups and thing, you know. Firm and fit up. So me have to, how Munga say? When me do 30 every morning, I wake up do 20 and do 30 push-up. I don't remember the Munga there, you know. Rastafari, whatever. Don't quote me, I'm mad, man. But yeah, Leverage Nation, man. You know a thing, man. We are walking all the meds, man. Off trade. Leisure's pathway, please remain on trail. On the way. Why not? Look like something going around there, so you know, the trail, yeah. The trail are late too. You know what? Not everyone a snake around this will come out and come rain, you know. But yeah, we soon back to your traveling and all them stuff that we just deal with some things right now. You know I think go leverage nation, so we have to just do the right thing. We have to just do the right thing and just go and take it a day at a time, you know. Cause you don't know, so this vlogging thing not easy at all. So who support the leverage more, I say leverage in the comment section, you see me? Yeah man, big up to everybody man, you see me? Well, we reach so far. Remember we start out from 1. Now we have hundreds and more to go. Not much, but I give thanks to our reach, you see me? Could have reached far, but yeah man, give thanks in everything. Yeah. I know I think already. Yeah, full walk around. Sorry for the breeze if it's in there because the GoPro, I don't know one crack up on the GoPro, I think. I don't know if it cause it. And yeah, we now get the microphone, I forgot to buy the mad one and things, so a whole heap of other little thing. But we have to figure it out, you know? Yeah. We have to figure it out man, but a nice little walk and circle man, so anybody who want to come in a day, when you see his name where name already the park name in a Lauderdale. Over there, not Lauderdale. Yo. So you can chill out and do your thing them man, you see me? Yeah. You can reserve all the shelter them for birthday party. You see me? So you make a full circle over the side that we did earlier. Over the other side already, so nothing too much. Quick little walk man, you see me? Data leverage man. You see me? Reach around the other part right now in the front. And I circle around and so back. Yeah, walk in the park with me, Leverage Boss. Welcome to Leverage Boss TV. Yes, you know a leverage man. Leverage, leverage, leverage. You know a slogan. Yeah. Yeah, I have another exercise bar right there, so. So. Try and take my time and walk, you know. You know, I think go. That's where I go on, man. Walking in the park. Yeah. So, you see where I go on now. Anytime I feel like I come, chill out in Florida. You know, one park named not Lauderdale, you can come at the park here. You see me? Yeah. So reach back around in front of now, so a quick little thing. Quick little vlog for sure now on go on. You know squirrel seen there. Yeah. So leverage nation. Alright, that reach back around at the front part or we turn or walk go. See it there? So that is it for the quick little walk. Open up. See that park here, I like it and I want to do a thing, you see me? So that a leverage nation. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Leverage, leverage, leverage. Out here, man. Reach back around there so see front here. This me not look on first. I'm seriously I know fishing, but I mean I'm not even really in the place to fish neither, but I guess. So until next time, Leverage Nation, do the right thing, man. Yeah, I'm out.